This is a message to my black men and black women. Never, never let any other race try to hurt your people. Never. So we must start love one another as we love ourselves. Stand up and fight. Fight with all our might.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Never
why
let
do
no
you
one
think,
hurt my people. Never, never,
why
never.
do you think,
Listen what I'm saying.
why do you think what?
We are the first man.
Why do the white men going around the world and try to bully other leaders of their country? Huh? What do you think when the white man is going around bullying other country and telling them they can't do this and they can't do that? If you did it or if you do it, we're going to put sanction on you. What is sanction? Sanction is to cripple your doing. And that's the problem the whole world is facing. That's the problem the whole world is facing because the white government of the United States is going around the whole universe and telling the other leaders that, hey, if you do this, we're going to put sanction on you. If you give Russia certain things, we're going to put sanction on. If you give China certain things, if you put Cuba, we're going to do something. So guess what? Everybody afraid of the white man. So what did he do? What did the white man do? The white man, he built a lot of ships. He built a lot of planes. And he built more ships. Why do you think he built all these ships? Because he want to go all over to let the other countries know, hey, I am the man. If you mess with me, I will blow your shit up. If you mess with me, you will not have no food. I will spray the farm and poison all that food. Because I have ships and ships and ships. I got planes and planes and planes. I can fly any place, anytime, anywhere. I can sail any place. I have submarine. I can go any place. And if you're in my way, I will fuck you up. That's what the white government is saying. And nobody can stop him. Who can stop him? I'm asking you, who can stop the white man from doing what he's doing? Regardless what you're saying, no other race of people can stop the white man from doing what he's doing to other people. I give an example. Who Who can stop the white man from doing what he's doing in Palestine right now? Talk to me. And Palestine is on the continent of Africa. Huh? It is on the continent of Africa, as you call it, Africa. And who can stop the white man from doing what he's doing right now? Right now! Nobody. You know why? Because every other leaders, they are sissies. Why they're sissies? Because they bow to the white man government. And their government is not strong, and their government is weak. They do not harm themselves to a great extent to fight the Armageddon war. They got a few guns and a few whole tankers and a few whole planes. In the meantime, the white man is building newer and newer and newer planes and making better and better and better tankers and better guns. So what they do, they sit back with the old shit that they have because they're not there to fight the white man. They came. So what they do, when they accumulate up their money or their wealth, they go to Europe and they buy Citadel and they buy hotels and motels and condominiums. So when the time comes to fight, they came. Especially the African country. And also the Caribbean country is going to Europe and buying citadels. Large apartment building. The Caribbean islands, the leaders are going to Canada and they're buying apartments. So the black leaders can't do nothing. All they can do is talk. Talk, talk, talk. So what I'm saying, we messed up. So there is no one out there, no black leaders, no black government can stand before the white government to defeat them. None of them. Because they're weak and helpless. Weak and helpless. Because their mind is steadfast on the Bible and a man you call God and Jesus. So they have nothing to say about the human race too much. They keep silent. In the meantime, the white man is moving north, south, east, and west, conquering and conquering. They've been doing it for a long time. If you don't understand what I'm saying, I can help you. You're too helpless. I'm speaking from myself. I'm not speaking from a book, because book is written by man. From his own saying, his doing, and his understanding. So if you read this book, you're reading another man's thought, idea, and his own understanding. But when you speak from yourself, you speak naturally, so you can understand. Some people can understand because they do not fit in what you're saying. because they never heard about what you're saying before. You're speaking foreign language to them. But as I said, there is no black government, no place can stand up to any white government. It doesn't matter how small the white government is. Norway, Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Greenland. No African country can stand to none of those countries. Because those countries are more mightiful with their arms more than any African country. Hello? And the mightiest African government, as you call it, supposed to be in Israel. And they don't want to put Israel in Africa. They want to put Israel out of Africa and call it the Middle East. That's how dumb my people becomes. That's how dumb they become. And where is Egypt? They're trying to put it in Asia. You know, the Queen Victoria already cut it in two already and put the Suez Canal through it. So one piece is, if you really check it out, one piece is in Saudi Arabia and one piece on the other side of the river. And then if you check it out, go behind, Israel is over there, and Ethiopia is up on the top. And that's all messed up, and all of that's supposed to be in the Middle East. That's all messed up our people becomes. And who draw a line? Black people didn't have any continent. Who draw a line? There was no line for my grandfather. Because we go from north, south, east, and west. With our donkeys and our buggy carts and our houses, as you call them, tent. So we got to wake up. So by we messed up, we get stuck. So the white man, he's going to dominate everything. Maybe not tomorrow, but sooner or later, he's going to. Because that's his plan. His plan is to conquer and destroy. Sorry, destroy and conquer. That's his plan. It doesn't matter if it's boy or girl, because he killed babies. Any harm is killed babies, they're messed up. So when a harm is step into a strange land and kill women and children, you got to think about it. Just like what the Israelis doing right now. They're killing women and babies. That army needs to be destroyed. And Iran is not trying to destroy it because they don't have no nuclear weapon and they're not trying to get it. Because they're forbidden by the Mahdi. And if you keep on thinking that way, we're going to mess up. South Africa speak a little and that's it. They're silent. Because what they're saying doesn't make any sense to the white people. So they're not going to help in no way. So when the South African goes up there and speak to the white people, oh no, just forget about it. And that's what's going on. So as I said, black people, we got to wake up. we got to stop the brutality that is taking place. It's going to start in the United States pretty soon. Just keep your mouth shut for a while. It's going to start pretty soon. Because the white man going to chase out all the bald-head people. Hold it down. That's what Trump is getting ready to do. He's going to chase out all them Latin people. But guess what? Do you know how many European people is in the United States illegally? I bet you never think of that. When these Norwegians come to the United States on vacation, a lot of them doesn't return. When England, Denmark, Greenland, Finland, when they come on vacation, a lot of them doesn't return. Why am I saying that? Why am I telling you that? Because I worked with the Norwegian many years ago. The German, when they jumped the ship, nobody looked for them. Because they rip up their passport and throw it away, or they hid it someplace. Because they marry some ladies. And some of them doesn't get papers, some of them don't want papers. Thousands and thousands of them are here. Nobody look for them. They only look for the Haitian, the Jamaican, and the Barbadian, and the Trinidadian, and the Cuban. They don't look for the Cuban. Cubans get in free. Because they can't send them back. So they're going to look for all the Mexicans and send them back. You think they're going to go freely? You can't understand what I'm saying. So guess what? I'm getting upset to see the brutality that is taking place with the black people and the Latin people. And the Palestinian people. And no one is trying to stop it. Nobody!
To leave the face of the earth.
It's sickening.
Because we are the original.
It's sickening to see nobody's not trying to stop it.
And don't you forget this word, what I said unto you.
But if you get some overstanding,
We must love
hit me
each
up.
other
And tell a friend.
as we love
Tell a
ourselves.
friend, man, to watch the show.
Let
Cause you're not in.
race,
What about that?
any one of us, our children,
Cause you're not in.
our grandmothers,
Peace, respect.
our grandfathers, never let no other race hurt your people. We got to stand up.